हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं साहिल और आप देख रहे हैं क्रिप्टो सैप। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं बेबी डॉज कॉइन के बारे में। एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर आप डॉज कॉइन मतलब बेबी डॉज कॉइन खरीद सकते हैं। इनका एक प्लेटफॉर्म का मैं बात बता देता हूँ। बेबी डॉज कॉइन इज लर्नड a few tricks and lessons from his father. It's his father is obviously Dogecoin. And Baby Doge seeks to impress his father by showing his speed 10x faster and his baby size transaction fees compared to all of the rest. He is hyper definition with intricate smart checking system built in is and so more baby dogs are always being added to your wallet. Simply hold and earn with while every network transaction pays you and help rescue dogs in need. When trading set slippage to 12% buy on PancakeSwap, you can buy this on PancakeSwap. We'll check it after some time. Let's take a look at the website. But before telling anything else, I want to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only giving my opinion. So before investing, do your own research. Baby Doge is cute, but with a lot of bite. Baby Doge is depreciation coin designed to become more secure over time. All holders of Baby Doge will become earn more Baby Doge coin that is automatically sent to your wallet by simply holding Baby Doge coin in your wallet. Watch your Baby Doge holding grow as all holders automatically receive 5% free of every transaction that happens to Baby Doge network. The community has community and holders of the coin owners network ending in coin owners Baby Doge network earning uh, network earning 100%. The Baby Doge entered from the transaction fees. The birth of Baby Dogecoin. The Baby Doge is a very giving and resigned reader long holder community and first foremost have no beard. Baby Doge is designed to protect against the whales. Baby Doge is proud to run with his father and provide transparency and fairness to the community. Did we mention Baby Doge is is not only thousand cutter, but every transaction network donates a portion to the charity chosen by the community to help rescue homeless dogs in need. 5% of each transaction will be redistributed to the holders for passive income. That if you hold this coin, you will get the 5% of transaction fees, which is divided to all holders. 5% of transactions sent to the locked into the PancakeSwap liquidity pools. 2.5% each transaction will burn, decreasing supply and creating scarcity. What is Baby Doge? Community powered, instant reward, secure and safe. Baby Doge is fully decentralized and owned by its fun, vibrant community. We welcome, embrace, deserve, and perspective build Baby Doge into the best community in crypto. For every transaction, Baby Doge network is buy sell 5% of the transaction distributed to the holders. That means you will earn more Baby Doge just by holding in your wallet and watch your Baby Doge grow every day. Secure and safe. Liquidity is fully locked. 5% of transaction fees are further added to the liquidity, and this contributes to less volatility and continuous increasing price floor. Baby Doge token symbol is Baby Doge. 420 quadrillion is total supply. Circulating supply is 300 quadrillion. Current price is somehow this cents, this millicents, and 5 million plus market cap, 5,000 plus holders. Phase one birth, airdrop to community marketing to spread the awareness. Website launch, 5,000 Telegram members, pre-sale launch, meme development, Baby George is born. Phase one is completed. Phase two, influencer marketing push, listing CoinGecko, listing CoinMarketCap, 25,000 Telegram 25 Telegram members, 25,000 holders, coin audit for donation and for community, voluntary donation for community plus charity membership. Phase 3, 1 lakh holders, 1 lakh Telegram members, airdrop 2, and large influencer marketing push, listing measures GCX, centralized exchange, maybe for community. And phase 4, their phase 4 is 150,000 k 150,000 holders, increase marketing, create decentralized and centralized exchange, deposit, cash deposit, USD per purchase, Baby Dots, and many more memes. Website redesign, Baby Dots Pow wallet and passive income tracker. PS5 3 lakh holders reside in ecosystem integrated token trades and marketplace, where Baby Doge trades sold and give away more Give a Tesla promote eco-friendly camping to Baby Doge versus Dodge. $200 million market cap. Memes everywhere. 250k donation to charity community. 500 million market cap. Choice at 500 million market cap. 500k donation to animal shelters for Baby Dogs and 1 billion market cap. Build homeless dog shelters for at 25 billion market cap. Phase 6 to the moon. Build animal charity 50 billion market cap and 100 billion market cap. We crave Baby Doge into a large mountain forever. We carve a Baby Doge into a large mountain forever, being locked literally the largest meme history. 5 billion cap. This is a 500 billion cap from a Baby Doge religion community vote. Community will vote what happens. So that's all their roadmap. How to buy Baby Doge coin. Create a wallet, fund your wallet, visit PancakeSwap, sub BNB to Baby Doge coin. Founding team. The Baby Doge founder, co-founder, Baby Doge father, and Miss Doge is the co-founder, also lead developer. So and it's a decentralized platform, so that's why there's no identity over there. Baby Doge founded by 2%. So how to buy, what's the 12% is the slippage. You can check the 2% slippage. You can also buy from 11%, but it's quite tough. You have to wait. Donate Baby Doge. You can also donate Baby Doge to the address, or you can click to the address and then go to donate. So check out their donation wallet. So they literally have $120 and some Baby Doge coin to their wallet and their donation wallet. So that's all. And bottom of the website you can check their links for the community links. You can join their Telegram community, Reddit, you can join their Twitter and Instagram also. So let's take a look at the PancakeSwap. So in PancakeSwap, in one BNB you will get this much amount of token and you can buy it from PancakeSwap. I'll give all the links in the description, so you can buy. And Baby Doge coin price prediction, you can check the PooCoin chart over there. The launch price is there from here, and it's already go up to like 122, like 10x 20x, then down to this level and go up to this level also, and they're currently at this price point. But I suggest you to buy. If you want to buy, you can buy at this price point, or if you want to buy a higher price, you can at this price point. Or if you enter like you don't care your money, you can buy at this price point whenever you want to buy. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you like the videos, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for future updates and such this type of videos. Thanks for watching.